Want a quick and easy way to move money, but wondering if your favorite app, Revolut, can play with Zelle? Let's dive right in. The short answer is, unfortunately, you can't directly send or receive money using Zelle with your Revolut account. Zelle primarily works with U.S. banks and credit unions, and Revolut, while offering banking services, isn't directly integrated with Zelle. This is a key thing to remember. So, how do you manage your finances with Revolut if Zelle isn't an option? The good news is Revolut has a bunch of awesome alternatives. Within the Revolut app, you can easily send money to other Revolut users instantly. You can also use international money transfers, which are great for sending money abroad. For sending money to someone who doesn't use Revolut, you can set up a regular bank transfer. This involves providing your bank details, like your routing and account number. Revolut also supports debit card payments, providing another fast and efficient money transfer way. In conclusion, whilst you can't use Zelle, Revolut has options. Explore the options within the app to find the perfect way to transfer funds to others, keeping your payments smooth and secure. For more finance tips, tap that subscribe button.